Please help us to welcome in our Sorokwe, our first contestant, Anabaya Ilatai Payne, Miss Imosikiali Basbasmai. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight Miss Imosikiali is wearing a lovely, vibrant, colored design for her sarong. The mixture of vibrant colors, orange, yellow and green, wrapped around her gorgeous body, presents the beautiful body of Miss Imosikiali in a summer season piece. Orange and yellow representing the warmth in the summers of sunshine we enjoy in the South Pacific, and the green is the beauty of the land. Combining these three colors in the sarong, a vibrant warm feel, and look to Miss Imosikiali this evening. To top off this vibrant sarong, Miss Imosikiali has a beautiful tropical floral hairs and hand accessories. Every Tongan lady enjoys the floral garlands of the kahua kakana, or a simple flower, as part of her accessories. Tonight, Miss Imosikiali has adorned her tropical flower arrangement on hair and hand as the finished pieces to her sarong. Thank you, Anabaya Ilatai Payne, Miss Imosikiali. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome contestant number 2. Welcome Lavinia Telisa Finau, Miss ClickX Corporation. Lavinia Finau and her sarong time take us to the tropical kingdom of Tonga with picturesque scenery, blazing sunshine and pristine white sandy beaches. Whether you're taking a stroll, working at home, or basking in the sun, Lavinia has a perfect wear for you. It is designed to be both practical and comfortable for all Tongan women. Lavinia has chosen the color blue to represent the vast Pacific Ocean, which surrounds her home island, the ocean brings love and nourishment to her people. It is also a passage upon which her people have journeyed across in search of new beginnings and new life. The hand-painted floral designs that adorn her sarong symbolizes the colorful nature of Tongan women and the many talents that they have. Whether it be dancing, singing, crafting, or creating, these are just a few of the wonderful knowledge that mothers share with their daughters. It is also symbolic of the wisdom, respect, and love that she has learned and continues to learn from her own mother. Lavinia dedicates the 2 white flowers at the center of her garment to both her grandmothers past. She is comforted in the knowledge that she is being guided by them both, here with her and in heaven. She accessorizes her sarong with beams of love to add glamour to her garment. It signifies that even though we as Tongans of today come from many different backgrounds, we are all a part of the same thread that bonds and connects us together. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss ClickX Corporation, Lavinia. Moving on to our next contestants, ladies and gentlemen, calling upon contestant number 3, Melena Ma'awolea, Miss Kalapu Laka'atu. Miss Kalapu Laka'atu's sarong wear for tonight represents her beautiful kingdom of Tonga and the long white lines of Aotearoa with printing design of turtles to represent the ocean that connects Aotearoa and the kingdom of Tonga. My originality. There are also primitive design and kue to represent her unique Tonga culture and heritage. consisting of three main colors: yellow for the sun as a base, with red and black intricate designs that reflect the two main colors Tongan people use for their tablecloth. And she can swim with her sarong on the crystal sand of Olikohanamali Beach. The design was inspired and hand-painted by a 10-year-old boy's painting, Sebastian Foliaki. Pas-pas mai, mo miss makamili o halak ba? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Welcome back on stage, Diana Ahil, Miss Kalapu'Aaki. Diana Ahil's sarong was sent from Motumoemoa. Her sarong represents the Tongan turtle, a well-known important sea creature not only in our culture, but throughout the Pacific. It represents longevity and wellness. The color represents the ocean in which the former has survived and traveled. The flowers are of the sun, which brings warmth to the former in the deep blue ocean sea. Pas-pas mai. Please welcome back Siwea Noka, Miss Dati Roma, Here Creations. Dati Roma's sarong displays a theme of the South Pacific in which signifies unity. The dress depicts the vital need for the Pacific to be united, region in order to have a successful future. The sarong is tied in a manner fit for a perfect tan, and is crossed in the center, representing unity and closeness to the heart. The blue waves on the sarong entails the color of the vast Pacific Ocean that unites us as one. The seashells used as accessories signifies our need for source of food, shelter, and drink. The vibrant colors on the sarong portray the beautiful ocean and clear skies only seen in Tonga. Ofatu, Manutufana, Siwea Roka, Miss Dati Roma, Hair Creations. In our sarong picture, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on stage. Kepekua Ohea Nokidori, Miss Morena's Hair Salon. The kingdom of Tonga is one, or is what one may think of as its magical place, from friendly smiles to swaying coconuts, palms and waves of exotic flowers and fragrant blooms. A sarong revokes memories of the islands of Tonga while providing comfort for women from all over the Pacific Islands. Miss Morena Hair Salon sarong tonight was made from a simple yellow cotton cloth. Attached to it is one of the most important motifs in Tonga, the kumesi. The 500 pounds from the network are claimed to be the first Indian to enter the Leggett Suikasa. Hence the bright yellow color chosen to emphasize the first sunrise of the millennium first seen in Tonga. In addition, the purple tapa attached to his sarong depicts the charismatic and alluring energy of the relation between the friendly islands and de Bedua Lohi, Miss Lorena's Hair Salon. Put your hands together once more for Miss Emotikiari, Miss Clickix Corporation, Miss Karakundo Uribe, Miss Makamaine Oehalatua Hoi, Miss Kalakita Karatu, Miss Dakiro Creations, and finally Miss Lorena's Hair Salon. Ladies and gentlemen, the contestants of the Miss Apprentice New Zealand 2015. We will now be moving on with our next entertainment called City before we move into our Lunga competition. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome back on stage the ever beautiful from Nigeria, Ashley Dawn. Thank you once again to Lily Finance and Clickix Corporation, Sophia Hair Salon, and the Auckland Institute of Studies, St. Helen. Thank you for your great support for tonight's competition. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming back on stage, the lady in